Every time you open YouTube, you will see some advertisements that only last a few seconds. Usually, I know you merely skip them, since I do the same thing. Ads may appear to be a nuisance because they significantly lengthen the video. Let me tell you something, you can make a substantial sum of money by clicking on these annoying commercials. Yes, you heard that correctly. You can make a lot of money just by watching advertising on the internet with this brand new money earning strategy that I am about to show you in this video. This strategy is now widely available on all 7 continents of the world, so you can generate money no matter where you are. Furthermore, you may utilize any device in your home because this is even available on your mobile phone, which I think is very cool. On top of everything else, I am sure you will appreciate the fact that this entire event is completely free. So, are you curious? Now I can't wait for you guys to test it out, so stick with me until the conclusion of the video and don't skip ahead since you might lose out on some critical things. To accomplish all of this, simply watch this video to the very last second as I will teach you this strategy step by step and in great detail. Without waiting any more minute, let's go straight to the first page, neobucks.com. As soon as you enter the website, you can see an outline of what Neobucks is all about, which is to earn money by viewing ads. To begin, you can earn money by watching commercials, which is essentially the purpose of this website. Second, if you are a business owner or entrepreneur, you can advertise your own website to a large number of people, but since you are here to make money, let's not focus on that. So, without further ado, let's get started by creating a free account. I want you to go back to the main home page and click on the register button at the top. This will lead you to a page where you can start your registration by filling out some basic information about yourself. Fill all the required information from username to email and then click on the check boxes to accept the conditions. All you have to do now is click on the continue button right here and in the blink of an eye, you will have your account for free. Now, log into your fresh new account straight away and you will see a page that looks exactly like this. And then, as you move your cursor to the top of the page, click right here where it says View Advertisements. You will then be routed to this page where you will have access to a large number of advertisements from which to choose. Simply choose one of these ads from the large selection and the advertisement will appear on your screen as soon as you click on it. All you have to do is play the advertisement from the first second to the last and you can start earning money right away. You can also check at the bottom of each advertisement what amount will get credited if you click on it. So start as fast as you can and earn money online daily. Back on your dashboard, you can track your progress by looking at how much money you have earned for the day on the website. You have the freedom to click on as many advertisements as you want, including all advertising displayed on your screen. You may make a considerable amount of money in this manner. However, you may believe that the revenue generated by these advertisements is insignificant, which brings us to the second strategy, which will be taking surveys. On the top of the dashboard you will get the option where it says surveys. You will be taken to this page where you will see tons of surveys and huge amounts in completing each survey. Just take as many surveys daily as you can and you will be one step closer to your financial freedom. Using this you can earn more money, although it can take some time to answer everything in the survey. Just be truthful and spend some time and earn more money than any other method daily. Anyway, now that you know how to make money with this website, allow me to explain the cash out process in detail. By clicking on the payment option here, you will first set up your payment details. You can cash out a minimum of $2 and that can easily be achieved in a few surveys or few advertisements. With this, you can start making big bucks and the earning potential is limitless. So quickly sign up. Apart from that, you can also check a few more categories like games or coins on the top of the dashboard. The coins category can help you get free cryptocurrencies and games can help you earn money by playing games. This website offers everything so easily, it has been my favorite go-to spot for a few days and I am earning a lot. So stop waiting and start earning. And that is it for the video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to the channel. Until next time. Goodbye.